Alright, hi, I haven't done a video in a while, but I got two vehicles, which I'll do a longer video and, well, more explanation later, because my batteries don't last that long, but it has steering, U-joints, and drive, which is actually pretty new, cool, big stack here. Trying to get it so that as this V10 working, but becoming a bit annoying. As you can see there, put that over there. Now I'm going to fit this with better things, because it does that and that. I'll try to fit this in here, or maybe a little smaller engine in there, which I know I can do it because all the available spacing, which is there. The chain looks sort of cool, and yeah. Oh, jeez, took up a lot of video. Well, see you later.